What's up, guys? We're going to be doing some more HTML today. We're doing episode 3, and like I said in episode 1, open your text of choice. For me, it's Sublime Text 2. For you, it could be anything, and we're getting back to CSS. So, in the last episode, we did this. And what this did was made, with CSS, we made it so it'd be sans serif, and there'd be no text decoration on the links, and the links would be red. So, let's get back onto this. So, we're going to start off. What did I just do? Oh yeah, that's what I did. Whoops. And we're gonna start off with making some more on the webpage. So yeah, let's get to it. So what we want to do is carry on with this, but we're going to make it with almost like a banner. So we're gonna have to make a division. So what a div is, well, this is a div. So it's just probably a division, but what a div is, it's just so you can keep things like organized. So I could have put this in a div already, but I didn't want to. So let's make a div, and then the ID of the div is what you're going to use in CSS. So if you have an ID of header, so we could do hash. So you, instead of doing header like we've done with everything else, we're going to have to do a hash header. That's a tag. Or if we were doing a class, which we'll get on to later, we'll have to do a dot header. So let's get to this. Like I said, let's make the hash header. Go in here where we had it. Equals, and then put this as header, and put this into our back page as well. You could have as many pages as you want, but I'm just doing 2 simple pages just for it to be short and snappy. So let's carry on. Slash div ID, and then header. Saved. Alright then, so what we want to do is set the background color. So the background color is the background of your page. So we could do background color. What would we want? We want, say, green. Not green. So that's what we do. And now let's save everything. So that's all you have to do just to make the background of your header green. That's all you have to do. Make a or hash anything actually. Just make a div or a fake tag. So that would be like, then you have to write doc type HTML. But still, that's what you do. So, well, not that, 'cause it can't be more than 2 words. And that's the dot type. So I'm just going to start up MAMP, and then we're going to test it. This will obviously be quick for you because you guys don't have to open MAMP, click start service and everything. So in the last video I did do hash information because that was my information. It had my IP address and everything on there, so that's why I did that. Alright then, let's go back to it. So MAMP, click. And let's just go to YouTube. So now we have this, but that looks bad, doesn't it? So we're gonna we want to set a height of this, don't we? So let's set the height. This is simple, like some other things. So we just want to set the height. Oh, why? H-E-I-G-H-T. Oh, no. Why am I getting everything wrong? I just do width. What am I getting wrong? One sec, guys. I'm just going to be doing something. And I'm back. So I realised where I went wrong. I basically just forgot to put semicolon here. That's why it wouldn't syntax highlight. So that was just me being stupid. So let's set the height of this to 40 pixels. You could change this to your heart's desire. and the width of a page. So this is going to, I'll show you what it does first. So I'm going to set the width of it to 60 pixels. Oh, so I need to set that to more than 60 pixels. So, what do you know? Let's set the width to about 100 pixels. Here we go. So what we have here is the width of this being 100 pixels and the height of it being 40 pixels. What this does is it changes the height of the of it and the width of it. So if we wanted to, we could even make it automatically do it for us for how much we do. So we could just do auto. So for how much text we do, it could be automatically changed. So we'd never need to touch Hypersolidify code again. Or we could, or we would. You never know. But still, we could actually change this to about 500 pixels. Yeah. Depending on your monitor or phone or whatever you're doing this on, because you can do it on phone. I did it while I was on holiday. It was annoying. Don't want to do that, sorry. Oh. Whoops. What did I do? I probably set the height to... Yep, that was just me being stupid again. Sorry, guys. Just being stupid. Like, what did I do wrong this time? Seriously. And there we go. So this is 500 pixels now. And yeah, so that's basically what I wanted to do. But maybe we should start covering a bit of hovers. So we could do something like let's set a new thing. Let's get a new tag to a colon. So when you're doing transition, so like hovering or clicking or anything, what you have to do is semicolon. So not semicolon, colon, and then we're gonna do hover. And you see that highlights because it's an actual thing. So we're just gonna do this to text decoration. Text decoration to bold. So you may be thinking, wait, but what is this going to do? It's just going to set it to bold and then keep it like that. Well, that's the trick about this. It doesn't. It just keeps it while you're hovering. So you sometimes you'd think like, oh, this is just going to hover. It is just going to hover over it and then be like it forever. It's not. So if it was like that, I think that'd be very annoying, and I think their fans would obviously be nagging them. Either way, that doesn't work because I probably did something wrong. Oh yeah, I know what I did wrong. So we need font weight. Literally just what that. Font weight. That's all you need to do, and then we can just refresh. And that's a bit. Is it? Not sure. I'm gonna do bolder. Wait, font weight bold. I'm gonna set it to bolder. Just to make sure. Still not working. I'm not sure what's going on there, but we can get to it in another video if I figure out what's going wrong. But we could also just do something like this. Font. We could just change the font size. This changed the size of the font. I'm just going to set this to 23. I wasn't going to do 21 because that's basically all over the internet. 21's too classic now. 2014. Why? Well, if you don't know already, you may think this is an old video from like 2014, but it isn't. It's from new. So, what am I doing wrong? We'll just get to this in another video. So, Happy New Year. Even though it's the January 4th, but still. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas to you all who've already had it. Hope you had a great time. And always, have a nice day.